Hi, Jason from Welping. Today's topic is about qualified butt welding. We usually consider the qualified welding jointing by three main factors. The first it's the high quality HDP pipe, competent butt welding machine, and skilled operator. We hold these truths to be self-evident at Fusing X. We are committed to these principles so that every joint stands the test of time. We have been expressing our knowledge and experience to help our clients make a good choice when they have some questions about product. We're pleased to serve you at any case if you need our help. It's our pleasure to serve and work together with you. Welping, Fusing X.